Now that everything has moved into a pattern, I can finally start my freaking eternal sleep. This sleep is dedicated to all the people that irritated me.
Yes, I know that sounds really impolite, guy, but can you please untie these handcuffs off of me, please?
Nah, this is more fun.
Dude, you're gonna make me miss the race. Please just untie me. We could let bygones be bygones, whatever that means.
But I want to race.
So get your own stinking vehicle.
Don't ever say stinking. Makes you sound like an idiot.
I personally disagree. I mean, a lot of people have actually said,
I mean, shut up. Nobody asked you.
Alright, please, let's just keep a good attitude and... Well, dang it. Okay, can we start the race now? I converted myself into a dog body. I don't think this is going to last very long. And if it does, well, shoot. Hurry up.
Lucky today, we've got a new racer and this trophy. It's about this time this race starts. I've been waiting for like an hour and a half.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely tired. Oh, wait, let me start it over. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our town's own wacky races. I totally didn't steal that from somebody. You totally didn't steal that from somebody.
I'm sorry, but you caught me off guard.
Meet our racers.
God, that announcer's such a jerk.
There's Noah.
Actually, Noah couldn't make it tonight. It's just me.
Okay, so what is your name?
Ted.
All right, Ted. On a horse that looks like Noah's. I'm going to draw no conclusions from that and move on. Carrying on. And, what? Let's start the races!
Sorry, but I'm not going to miss a wacky races. No matter what town it is in. Before I get out of here. I can still walk. Ow. Why is there a tunnel there? Owie! Who dares interrupt my eternal slumber?
Oh, hi.
I'm the leader of the pond. What do you want?
Well, there are these races going on, and somebody stole my horse, and there's a guy who looks like a dog man, and yeah, it's really weird out of context.
So you want my help, I take it?
Yeah, I do.
What is your first wish?
Well, I'd like these handcuffs out.
That's way too hard. However, I could use this old vehicle I had to race. I'm a good racer.
Ready, set.
Hold on a second. The leader of the pond is here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the leader of the pond on a robot. Okay, I'm out of here.
I assume he wants us to go. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
You know, it's really hard to walk with these on. What? All right, apparently I'm not allowed to leave. Here comes the whole long jump. You know, this is where like 99.99% of our contestants die. But hey, who cares? When you have invisible rocket jets, nobody... Oh! The first man to make it! He already earned the trophy. Okay, let's try. Who wants coffee, eh? Look, I turned you into a dog, man, for a reason, you know. So, Ray. Genie, I would like to use a second wish, please. Yes, spin away. I would like to win the race. But son, that is kind of cheating, and I don't want to do that. Okay, fine. Second wish. I have rockets too. Still kind of cheating, but okay. Oh, well, so is the dog thing. Alright, I'll allow it. What's this? The dog has jets too?
What? The dog has jets too?
And is now in second place, right behind our, pod man. Okay, what the heck is going on right now? This is so inconvenient, it's not even funny. Alright, lagging in third, he's still trotting on the ground where most people die. Do you think he can make the roundabout? What's this? After a while of climbing, he made it up. And by a while of climbing, I mean 2 seconds. Another jump. maybe then. Oh, there he goes! Into the can of victory! He's got to make it right out in order to continue the race. He did it! And now the dog is getting into the victory cup. Ah! It's going to take him a while to get out. Would you like to use your third and final wish? Yes. Make this cup fly wherever I want it and let me see it. Too much. Alright, fine. Just make the can fly. Oh, and now the can is flying. What is going on right now? Is the tank run back to the table? Who's going to win? You got to make it all the way to the trophy. Who's going to make it? What's this horse jump back up? No! No, it's out of control. It's out of control. Yes, he made it. The leader of the barn.
Okay, I'm out of here.
What the heck do you have to say for yourself?
Okay, where are you?
Yeah, where's this guy coming from?
Now that everything has moved to a barricade, I can finally start my eternal slumber. Because people are annoying.
It has been me the whole time. Looks like I'm going back into the lab. Bye-bye. Oh. Hey.
Wiggly, 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 wiggly.
My God, I'm finally out of the lamp. That has been a literal 1 second. So, wishes and stuff? Yes, grant me 3 wishes. Okay, first,
Could somebody get these freaking handcuffs off?
okay, that's too hard. Okay, a real first wish. Get him off with style? Done. Wait, so let me get this straight. You couldn't get him off just by itself because it was too hard. But getting that off with style, which is something extra you can do, or is it because the something extra makes it different, or why would it be easier for it to be harder? I don't know. I'm gonna go get my trophy and my horse back now.